There's another one. There's Reiki, or she did therapeutic touch, which I think is kind of like this, but I don't know for sure. And then there's, we have people in here I've had people who have before who have told me, man, your aura is really yellow today. Or, you're really, really white with pink. They would come up to me after class. I remember there was 2 people in one class that was this class who kept telling me what color my aura was. I've never seen an aura. All of these these are all energy systems. And there's others. I remember reading a book. What was her name? She mentioned she could see, she thought everyone could just see them. She mentioned like 5 or 6 other ones that she could work with, manipulate for well-being.
Does like a chiropractor or that practice have anything to do with that? I've been to a chiropractor before, I went like 4 or 5 times.
Yeah.
And I wasn't going for myself, I was there for another person. Since we were there, he would just
help you out.
Help me out too.
Mm-hmm.
But we'd go in there and like I jumped off the roof one time. I didn't say a word to anybody, and he like was checking my ankles and stuff. And he goes, "Oh, so you jumped off a roof this last week?"
He could tell.
I didn't know that. Like I crashed my bike once, and he could tell in my shoulder that I crashed the bike and like how I landed. Got a mountain bike.
Yeah.
But
well, I would say the chiropractor deals a lot more with the nervous system. Yeah. It's primarily nervous system, stopping the blockages that happen with the spine that create, realigning the spine so that the nervous system that peels out from the spine is like an open river as opposed to a blocked one.
It's crazy to me how you could figure out.
But yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. There's another one that I've heard of that's really out there, Kundalini energy, where people will describe this enormous, kind of like a fireball of feeling that starts at the base of your spine and it just goes. When people have these Kundalini experiences, it's so profound, it changes them profoundly. Now, I don't know how to explain.
Would you incorporate spiritual laying of hands in this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've seen and witnessed a lot of that, when there's actually heat transfer from, someone just coming close and
Yeah.
just the heat that burns the heels. It's just crazy. But it's an energetic energy transfer, not a...
Absolutely. And if you went to the National Institutes of Health, they have a whole section on complementary and alternative therapies. But yeah, that would be another example. How do you explain that when somebody puts their hands on somebody and healing happens? It's not physical.